In this episode we will talk about XCMG, XCA2600.
The biggest all-terrain crane from XCMG. And without a further ado, let's dive in. The XCA2600 is the first crane with a 10-axle carrier, and it is 3.5 meters wide, and boasts a patented independent suspension design. In addition, the upper part is interchangeable with the crawler track of the XCC2600, the world's biggest telescopic boom crawler crane. XCA2600 has a maximum lifting capacity of 2,600 tons. Nowadays, it is the world's largest tonnage telescopic boom all-terrain crane. It has a maximum lifting height of 160 meters, and it is 20% more than competitors. XCA2600 has a total counterweight of 340 tons, and for the wind turbine works, the wind tower jib is up to 110 meters long, and it goes on the 63.7-meter telescopic boom, and the four outriggers are arranged in X-shape. 4-point supporting with fully extended outrigger span of 15 by 15 meters. XCA2600 has a compact body coupled with a wide chassis and independent suspension system, which improves the crane's safety and stability. The XCA2600 is equipped with 3 core technologies: high-performance flexible boom, super lifting and independent suspension, as well as hosting a weight of 173 tons. In terms of super lifting and tensioning, the newly developed XCA2600 boom features active control and hosting risk prediction technologies to ensure quick and safe operation. It can be difficult for large cranes to successfully strike a balance between achieving great lifting capability and traveling around conveniently, especially for those that need to install wind turbines at a height of 160 meters. And when encountering low-altitude power lines, it can pass through safely because of its compact body. XCA2600 provides highly efficient solutions for the installation of super wind power turbines and customized operation for different construction, plus the great capabilities that can switch freely from mobile to crawler base makes this crane one of the biggest mobile crane in the world. And that's all for the XCA2600.